Dear Professor, we have developed the course which you may find both useful for your students and easy to implement in the curriculum. If you are teaching electrical engineering, then we believe DriveConstructor can make your life easier and your students even more motivated. I would say we made this course for your students. However, it is not only for electrical engineers. If your area is, for example, civil engineering or marine engineering, your students can get a lot of knowledge working with this course. And this will be true basically for any course addressing conversion of energy from mechanical to electrical and back. Renewable energy, mining, metallurgical engineering, you name it. The reason this course been able to serve so broad spectrum of educational areas is that it is built around the four very widely used devices: pumps, conveyors, winches and turbines, and they can be found almost everywhere. So the course teaches how to design power conversion systems. In DriveConstructor, the system will always include an electric machine and a frequency converter, but it can also include a gearbox and a transformer. As we all know, such systems are often called drive systems or drivetrains. Majority of the exercises in DriveConstructor involve putting together drive systems optimal for concrete applications. One of the goals is to make the students understand the principles of system sizing and design. Another goal is acquisition of certain practical skills. The system sizing software is the main part of the online course. It allows choosing first the application, then the system topology, and then tuning up system components, gearboxes, motors, and so on. When any single parameter gets changed, the software instantly generates the new system design. So one can see how parameters of any component influence other components and the system as a whole. In the sizing results, summarized in the report, one can, for example, find efficiency of the components, including the values at partial loads. This enables system efficiency analysis for different load profiles. The report can also tell what certain equipment is going to cost. Comparing variants, benchmarking, is the important element of the decision-making on the way to the optimal system design. We can always go back and tune parameters again and again. This cut-and-try approach is the way to come up with your own design. This is very often the way systems are optimized in real life. The whole course and the software are based on standard components, which in turn are based on actual catalogs of equipment manufacturers. Our assumption is that working with systems consisting of standard components, one learns a lot of things which are fully applicable to design of tailor-made components and systems. Further, the software uses quite simple logic for assembling the components into a single system. For example, frequency converter output current must be higher than electric motor's rated current. Or another example, rated torque of the motor must be higher than the torque required by the driving mechanism over the entire operational speed range. And there are a few other similar principles. That's why DriveConstructor is so fast. Picking up a standard component from a catalog and applying the simple logic to check if it fits with the rest of the system takes just a few milliseconds. Okay, now back to the applications. In DriveConstructor, you will see the use of drivetrains in the four applications. Why this particular four? The simple answer is because they are so popular and so different. Look at them, different load curves, overloads, duty cycles, and so on. By working with these four applications, the student will learn about almost all typical variants of the possible loads. Anyway, DriveConstructor is not only the sizing software. The course has three other essential components: the electronic textbook, the set of exercises, and video tutorials. The course components are inextricably intertwined, so it is best to use them together. If you like what you've heard so far, maybe you're wondering how to start. It's easy. Just give your students the link to the exercises. Since the exercises are going to be based on materials from the electronic textbook, they will read the textbook. The exercises are not straightforward, so the students will watch the video tutorials. And by doing all this, they will obtain the knowledge and acquire the skills. There is available a separate video advising how to choose right exercises. To conclude, we believe that employing DriveConstructor is the fastest and easiest way to give the knowledge to the students. Please try it out. Thank you for watching.